Welcome to Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the DirectX function error, DXGI error device removed or device hung, that you might encounter while gaming. Follow these 5 simple steps for a smooth resolution. Step 1. Restart your computer. Restart your PC. This refreshes your system and can resolve temporary issues affecting DirectX. Step 2. Clear shader cache. Locate your game installation folder. For games on EA or Steam, navigate to Manage, then browse local files to open the folder. Find the shader cache folder and delete its contents. Make sure to back up any important files before deleting them. Step 3. Adjust shader cache in NVIDIA Control Panel. Right-click on your desktop, select NVIDIA Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings, then Global Settings. Set the shader cache size to 10 or 100 gigabytes and click Apply. Step 4. Update BIOS and graphics driver. Visit your system manufacturer's site, Dell, HP, Lenovo, etc., and download the latest BIOS update. Download the latest driver for your graphics card from NVIDIA or AMD. When installing, select Custom, then perform a clean installation. Step 5. Verify or repair game files for Steam. Right-click on the game, select Properties, go to Local Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. For EA, click on the game, go to Manage, and select Repair. After completing these steps, restart your computer and launch your game to check if the issue is resolved. Please like this video and subscribe to Error Genie for more.